A very good morning to all, excellences, judges, teachers, and my dear fellow friends. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about on the occasion of Abul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam. He is a missile man of India, a great leader, a brilliant of the nation. It's pleasure to introduce myself. My name Rachana Nimmala from Warangal Rural. My present education intermediate second year in TSRJC Nekkonda. So I start about Abdul Kalam. If you want, shine like a sun. First, burn like a sun. This quoted by a scientist, an engineer, a teacher, visionary, dreamer, missile man of India. And of course, the person with wings of fire. Yes, it was Abul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India. Also honored him with the nation's highest civil and honors, namely the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. These are his highest civil and honors. What is that? Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. The Kalam has legend in several inspirational books, most notably his autobiography. His autobiography, Wings of Fire, aimed at motivating Indian youth. His probable views on certain issues have been exposed by him in his work India. This was its big history. Here are some valuable life lessons with children from him. These will surely help to excel in life. Always be ready, for changes for life is unpredictable, which is not always follow the path. So we make sure have a plan B, where things do not the way are thought. Do not the way are thought, they might be creative. The people who connected the mass and happiness more enjoyable in life than the people who live a life solitary, established in an emerged good leader. In the Kuyas, Abul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam emerged as a good leader. The Kalam have a vision, human spirit collapsed not when a dispersed food, but when it is denied dream. He is a device to the young people of the nation. Is to dream, dream and dream. Dreams transform into thoughts. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts. Thoughts results in action. So please come forward. Try to expand technologies and make our minds full of happiness. This especially youth and teenagers. So please come forward in the nation of the fields and science and technology. Think big, like a nation of brilliant. So this year 2000 on the 27th July 2015, the people president, he is none other Abul Pakir Jainaluddin, a missile man of India. The president travelled along to deliver a lecture and creating a lovable plant on earth. Indian Institute of Management along at around 6:35 p.m. Only 5 minutes in his lecture, In his 5 minutes lecture, he collapsed. He collapsed to his last words to his youth. Were reputedly funny guy. Are you doing well? His last words to youth, funny guy, are you doing well? Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam is no more. But the whole world lost a brilliant man, a missile man, a great leader of India. So finally, Abul Pakir Jainuddin inspiring me a lot. For the conclusion, thank you one and all for giving me this great opportunity, for listening, patience listening. Thank you for all.